it's Miss Janet from the library. I hope you're having an awesome day, just like I am. And today I have an idea for you to make some sun prints. So it's very easy. All you need to do is go to your paper cupboard, wherever you have your paper, and choose some color of construction paper, or maybe you have colored printer paper, whatever you have. Maybe choose two colors. I chose pink and red and black, because what you're going to do is you're going to put your paper somewhere in the sun. So you could put it outside somewhere, it can go on the ground, it could go on a table, it can go somewhere in your house, as long as the sunshine is shining right on it. So I took my paper outside and I put it on my table on the deck. And what happened was the wind came along and it blew everything off. So if you do put it outside, make sure that you have something heavy on your paper so that if the wind picks up, it doesn't just blow everything away. So what you're going to do is get some paper, different colors like I suggested. Find some things that you would like to put on your paper to make a sun print. So wherever the sun shines, the paper will not fade, and then when you take the item away, you'll see the outline. So I chose some different pieces of Lego. So you might have different pieces of Lego at your house that you would like. I even took my tape dispenser, and I had a pen, and I had a boat shape that I had cut right out of felt, and I put that on my paper, and I'm going to show you. I put the items out in the sun for quite some time, several hours, so you could have your mom time it for you. So the first one I did was I chose black paper, and I put the pieces of Lego on there, and you can see what happens when the sun is shining right down on that paper. So this was probably outside for probably 3 hours in the sunshine. And then you'll see my boat on this one. I think it's my favorite. My sailboat, and there was a marker, and there's my tape dispenser. So that's what happens when the sun was shining. It made all this paper around here fade, but where the paper was covered up, it stayed that same color that it was when I put it out. So we know that the sun will fade things. So if you have a piece of furniture or a blanket or something that the sun shines in, over time the color will start to fade. And so sometimes we put up special blinds or curtains on our windows so that doesn't help or doesn't happen. But what are some other things that the sun does? Some things the sun does are harmful. If it shines on our skin and we have not been careful and put on enough sunscreen, it can cause disease. It can cause cancer to our skin, and that is harmful to us. But what are some good things that the sun does? We know that we need sunshine. If we plant seeds or plants, we need the sun because that helps the plants to grow. We also need sunshine. It helps us with our mood. It helps us to be happier. If we never had sunshine, we'd be sad and we'd be down. We'd be depressed. So we need the sunshine. So the sun does good things. Even though it does cause some harmful things, it does great things. It helps the plants to grow. It helps to keep us happy. And it's fun to do an experiment. So find some paper around your house, some colored paper. Find some things that you might like to put on your paper. Put it out in the sun and then see how it fades that paper all around. Another idea, I didn't show you. I will show you on the pink paper, my boat. It just faded a little bit. But if you chose a color that you thought looked really awesome, you might want to put it in a frame and have it somewhere in your house. I could frame my boat because I think that boat looks pretty cool. Anyway, you find some paper, you find some things that you want to make faded prints on your paper and have fun. And I hope that the sun shines, and if you put it outside, nothing goes blowing away like it did for me. So just have fun with that, and I will see you back again sometime soon. Bye for now.